In a world of intelligent machines, sustainable design, and rapid innovation, mechanical engineers are the driving force of progress. At MIT World Peace University, Pune, we equip you to lead this transformation with our Master of Technology in Mechanical Engineering, CAD, CAM, CAE.
Hello, future designers, innovators, analysts, and strategists. I am Professor Dr. Ganesh Kakandikar, Professor in Mechanical Engineering and Associate Dean for External Relations, School of Engineering and Technology at MIT World Peace University, Pune. I am the mentor of the Master's Program in Mechanical Engineering with specialization in computer-aided designing, manufacturing, and engineering. Mechanical engineering has gone beyond the traditional limits of conventional machine setups. Today, we believe in designing smarter, simulating faster, and manufacturing with quality for global competitions. We don't only teach the software platforms, we make the innovators who create new platforms, new softwares for solving the problems of the industry. This program imbibes research culture in the minds of the scholars, wherein the entire perspective of looking towards a problem changes with the curriculum, the activities, the seminars, the dissertations, industry exposure, national and international exposure that comes to these programs. Beyond, we have gone for healthcare sector, where CAD/CAM CAE is predominantly being used, aerospace, space technologies, and even more.
Our M.Tech in CAD/CAM CAE is crafted to prepare the students for the real-world engineering challenges. It is a combination of foundation of mechanical engineering with the advanced modern technology like AI and machine learning in engineering, biomechanics, and smart materials, using tools like Hypermesh, 3D experience platforms, ANSYS is there, ABACUS is there. Students gain hands-on experience on the virtual validation, design customization, and industrial grade projects, make them not only technically sound but also industry ready.
Our M.Tech in CAD/CAM CAE empowers students with practical skills in industry-leading software such as ANSYS Mechanical, ANSYS CFD, Mastercam, RoboMaster, MATLAB, Star CCM Plus, and many more. Mastery of these platforms ensures graduates are ready for high-impact roles in engineering and manufacturing. With strong industry tie-ups, patented research, and global collaborations, MIT-WPU ensures every student is mentored to grow. Our graduates are now CAE Safety Engineers, Simulation Analysts, Design and Manufacturing Consultants, Automation Experts, and Innovation Leaders in R&D and Defense sectors. At MIT-WPU, you don't just learn, you evolve.
Dear friends, if you are interested to design systems and machines for the great Bharat, I am inviting you to join this postgraduate program in CAD/CAM CAE, where we create innovators, scientists, engineers with ethical leadership. Jai Hind.